Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the polar bear Squishmallow. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the fur on the hat. Let's start with the bumpy line across in the center. And then let's bring it out, curving it down slightly on each side. Now let's continue it down on each end. And then let's bring it up and in towards the center. And that's it for the fur on the hat. Now on top, let's draw a curve up on each side. And then a curve across at the top. Now on top of the hat here, let's draw the pom-pom by drawing a bumpy line up, around, and back down. Next, we're going to hop to the sides and draw the ears. On the top left, let's draw a curve up and down, and the same on the right side. Now inside each ear, let's draw a curve up, and another curve down underneath. And that's it for the hat and the ears. Now underneath, let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start on each side and let's draw a long curve down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start inside at the top and let's draw two curves down. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, we're going to hop inside and let's draw a large curve up and back down in the center. And close off the bottom with a curve across. Next, inside this section, let's draw the nose. Let's start with a line across, and then a curve down and back up underneath. And color the nose in black. Now underneath the nose, let's draw a line down, and then a curve across at the bottom for the mouth. And that's it for the snout. Now let's hop out and we're going to draw the eyes with two circles. And let's color these both in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a line across. And curve it down and out on each side. Then two lines down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a border in the same way. Lastly, inside we're going to draw a snowflake. Let's start with a line down, and then an X shape across. Now at the end of each line, let's draw 2 small angles up and out. And that's it for this cute polar bear squishmallow. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!